Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we will show you how to remove and replace steering wheel on Mazda CX-7. We have this one as a parts car here and it has the leather steering wheel as you can see right here, and we're gonna take it for the other one that it just has a plastic steering wheel, airbags deployed. But if your airbag is good, and most likely it will be, disconnect the battery at least 1 hour before you start removing the steering wheel, because you have to remove the airbag as well. Stay with us guys, please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So we disconnected the battery, it's been about 1 hour. Now right here as you can see, let me turn the light on, there is a cap, okay, a rubber cap. Just use a screwdriver or a prying tool, and behind the cap there is a 10mm bolt right there that we are going to remove now. Okay, just with a small ratchet we are going to use here. Okay, you can see it's pretty tight, and once you get it loose you can usually turn them by hand. That's one good thing about it. Okay, the bolt will stay there, it will not come out. Now we need to go to the other side. Okay, let me go there. And there is one more cap like that there. Go ahead and remove this one as well guys. And another 10mm bolt there. Okay, so of course when you get it, once you break it loose, you can remove it by hand. Okay, now you can just grab it guys, carefully grab it. Okay, and you can pull it out. Okay, you just have to be gentle. And here now everything's melted, and this is because this car was in an accident. As you can see, those ends are melted. But what you need to do if you want to remove them, you pry that thing up. In our case we won't be able to because it's melted there and they will break, but you need to pry the black thing straight up and then just pull them up without twisting. Okay, in our case we'll just probably go ahead and see if we can disconnect them from right here now. Okay, now we're gonna get, in our case it's 21mm socket right here. You need to grab the steering wheel really good, preferably 2 people for that job. Take the bolt off. When you install it guys, always use thread lock and make sure you get that thing tight. You don't want to have your steering wheel loose, that won't be good. Okay, so the nut came off. Now this wire you press down and pull. Okay, that's where you press right here and you pull, and we're going to feed the, okay, let me see now, the other wires through there, and it's a little bit tight. Okay, came right out now. It gets pretty stuck. This is the cork spring right there, and this is the steering wheel guys. So that's how you guys remove and replace steering wheel on Mazda CX-7. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.